I'm David Petronzio. My job title is Head of Development here at Boden. We're a clothing company, clothing brand that sell through our catalogue and website. The company's 25 years old. So I joined Boden 5 years ago, and for the first 3 years I concentrated on making sure that the in-house team were delivering to the best of their abilities. About 2 years ago we realised we needed more people. We had a growing list of requirements from the business, and we weren't going to be able to fulfil those requirements with the team we had, particularly as it was getting harder and harder to recruit good developers. We already had a number of contractors on the books, and that option worked pretty well for us, but it wasn't going to be economic to grow the team by that method alone, and we also had to manage them ourselves. We hadn't really considered outsourcing before. I guess I'd had some not so great experiences at previous jobs, but one of my tech leads introduced me to Neil, and when Neil came in to pitch to me and my boss, we liked him and we also liked what he had to offer. So we kind of thought, well, why not give it a go? I think like anyone who's used to building software themselves in-house, we had some concerns in giving that responsibility to someone else. What was quality going to be like? How would we measure how well they were doing? And even would language be a barrier? We started with a team of 4 developers and a project manager, and we got them working on the MVP for a product that we use to manage our suppliers and their ethical trade records. The in-house team had already built a proof of concept, so we were able to hand over the functional requirements and the technical specifications to the team in Belarus, and they were very quickly able to get on and go ahead and build it. Because this was new for us, we kept a very close eye on what they were producing, and we very quickly realised that we were dealing with some very good developers. So later the same year we took on another team of 4 developers to help us build an application to manage certain aspects of the data that we use on the website and mobile applications. The application uses the same architecture as the supplier system, and so the team were familiar with both the technology and the patterns that we use, which meant that they could very quickly start to deliver new features for us. We've now broadened the scope of work that Godel do for us, and actually they're helping us build website features as well. And with our desire to continue to invest in digital, we'll soon be taking on a 3rd team at Godel, as well as growing the team here onshore. In a nutshell, they write good code and we can trust them to deliver. We also like the fact that they don't want to be the biggest offshore development company, simply the best. Great software delivery.